Well, hello, my friends, and we're in September. And if you're like me, you probably are curious on what doTERRA has on sale. What's the free product of the month? Are there any LTOs going on? And what about this convention and new product launches? Let's spend just a few minutes going over the details on how to use the products and what you need to know. Well, my name is Caroline Lee. I'm a wellness advocate with doTERRA. All right, let's talk a little bit about elevating your environment with the oil of light, which is Melissa. This month in September, we get to enjoy 10% off of a Melissa 5 ml. Now, this is while supplies last. So if it sells out and you miss out, then you don't get the discount. But this is a great way to stock up with your stash without breaking the bank. So this month in September, you're going to get 10% off. So your retail customers, you're going to be at 115.20. And then our wholesale members, you're going to save again that 10% off. You're going to go down to 86.40. So it's a great way to add to your collection. All right, so let's learn a little bit more about Melissa. Now, in Greek, Melissa means honeybee. Now, Melissa is also known as a lemon balm, and you'll see that in a lot of products where they'll have that listed. So, lemon balm is Melissa essential oil. Now, it is named for this because it's sweet, it's fresh, it's got a citrus-like fragrance, and it's actually known to attract bees. So, Melissa essential oil offers a wide range of benefits and uses. And we're going to talk about that in just the next slide. But I want you to pay attention to the slide that's on there. We can use Melissa all three ways: aromatic, topical, internal, and you can do it neat directly on the skin, although I like to use the fractionated coconut oil on there. So let's talk a little bit about some of the ways that you can use it. So there's a wide range of benefits and uses. You can use it to flavor your teas, your ice cream, and even your seafood dishes. The aroma of Melissa oil creates kind of a relaxing, comforting space. So it's a great one if you need to unwind to put in the diffuser. And diffusing it at night can cultivate a restful bedtime environment. So we always want that in our lives. Now, preclinical studies suggest that Melissa oil may also help support a healthy inflammation response when you take it internally. So just 1 to 2 drops in a veggie cap or in some water if you like it. It's got a floral taste to it, so I like the veggie cap option on there. But just note that there is some preclinical studies suggesting that it's going to help with that. So you can see the versatility of Melissa. You can use it for skin. You can add it to your drinks and your food. You can diffuse it to help calm tensions and nerves. You could take it for immune system support, as well as helping with a relaxing sleep. I did want to put some diffuser recipes up for you. So on the screen, you've got 6 of them on here. Super easy. You could do Melissa by itself, but it's always fun to couple it with some of our favorite essential oils on here. And I am a tree and citrus fan, so the Be Optimistic is one that's really good. So 1 drop Melissa, 3 drops Siberian Fir, 2 drops of tangerine is definitely one that I'm going to try in my home as well. All right. So last month I gave you a 7-day challenge. This is a 7-day challenge with Melissa. So for the next 7 days, once you get your Melissa, I want you to try one of these 3 ways to use it. So 1 drop underneath your tongue, 1 drop rubbed into your forehead, or 1 drop you're just going to put in your hand, rub it together, and take a deep inhale on there. Now we could see some of the emotional benefits. We talked about it. It's going to be the oil of light and release. And so if you're feeling weighed down, stuck, lack confidence, hopelessness, or feeling a little held back in your career or in life situations, this is going to help your emotions filter through, and you'll be able to resolve some of that and hopefully move forward. So try this 7-day challenge. All right, let's talk a little bit about the special that doTERRA has when you're on their loyalty rewards program, or what we call a monthly subscription box. Now, when you place a 125 point order or more before September 15th through this program, you're going to receive a free bottle, a 15 ml bottle of guaiac wood. Now, this is while supplies last. So if a lot of people are doing this, you may not get it. So you want to make sure that you get that order in early in the month. But look at the retail price. You're going to get this for free, $26.67. If you're a wholesale member, you're going to get the $20 oil for free just by placing your monthly subscription order before the 15th at that required amount. Now, guaiac wood has been used for centuries in things like meditation and wellness practices and ceremonies by the Native Americans. It's often used in perfumes and skincare products. And it is actually steam distilled from the heartwood of a Bolognese. Let me see if I can say this right. Samatol tree, I believe is how you say it. Guaiac wood essential oil is very earthy. You're going to have a kind of the grounding properties. You think about this coming from the heart of the wood. And in this specific oil, you're going to have it already pre-blended with a fractionated coconut oil. And you can use the aromatic topical. And of course, you can do it neat, but we always recommended the fractionated coconut oil in case you have any skin sensitivities. So let's talk a little bit about some of the ways that you can use guaiac wood. Now you can see on the left, I've got 10 different ways. So if we think of that, it's very grounding. So we will definitely want to diffuse it to help with feelings of anxiousness, nervousness, that kind of thing. Maybe if we need to have focus emotionally on prayer or meditation in the morning, but we can also use it topically for minor skin irritations. So say I've got a rash or itchy skin. Putting that with some fractionated coconut oil, putting it with some lotion can help soothe that. You can also add it to some unscented moisturizer to help reduce some of that skin imperfections that we get as we age. I do have a great suggestion. On the right, you can see that we can add this to a foot or bath soak. So just some Epsom salt, some baking soda, and 10 drops of guaiac wood, 5 drops of Roman chamomile. And then if you want, you can add some lavender flowers in there as well, but just a little bit of that and go ahead and soak for about 20-30 minutes. It's going to help relax and help you decompress in the day. So you can do this as a foot soak or a bath. And then the last one I want to talk a little bit about that we have on here is combining it with cypress. You can promote lymphatic drainage. So just know that there's lots of ways that you can use this guaiac wood, and you want to make sure that you get this for free this month. Again, for our wholesale members, that's going to give you $20 oil for free by placing your order at 125 points before the 15th of the month. All right, so just so you know, there's still available the harvest spice. So if you like pumpkin pie, this smells like pumpkin pie. It is great. So this one is available. Oh, I forgot to change that slide, but it is available in September. Wholesale customers, it's $28.50. Retail, it's $38 right there. And I wanted to give you some practical ways to use it. If you have it, we know that it's great for diffusion. Flat out, put it in by itself. It's amazing. You can also add 1 to 2 drops if you have some potpourri that might need some sprucing up or you make your own. Feel free. It blends really well with Cheers and Siberian Fir. And then I did want to give you a couple of DIYs. So if you want to add more things to your harvest spice when you're diffusing it, think about arbor vitae or cedarwood, a little bit more woody oils, as well as maybe Siberian Fir and arbor vitae. In there. We also have a rollerball recipe and, of course, the Fall Breeze room sprays. Now, we do know September is traditionally doTERRA's convention month, and we have ours. It's called Reclaim 2024. And they are going to be launching new products. If you're an oil user or you're doing it at the business, doTERRA is product centered. So you're going to have lots of opportunity to get some education. So I have a discount code for you. If now until the last day of convention, you can get this $20 off a virtual or in-person ticket. All you have to do is put the promo code Reclaim 2024 in as you're checking out, and you will be able to see all of the recordings, live if you want to watch it live. You'll have access to that. But what it will allow you to do is you'll be able to purchase any of the convention products, the kit that they have, before anybody else. So sometimes it takes a little while to get these new products in, and you become really excited after hearing how you use it or hearing how somebody has been blessed by those products and you want them as soon as possible. So this is the best way to do it. And it's going to save you a lot of money too, because they do give it at a discount for those who attend. So just wanted to throw that out for you guys. And as always with doTERRA, we have a refer a friend program. So if you like using essential oils, doTERRA makes it super easy for you to share and be rewarded. So you can share, say they like that harvest spice. They've been over your house and they smell that. It's super easy. You'll just log in and then you can click the link to share that product with them. It can even give them a QR code, so they have to just scan it and then it takes them to a place where they can purchase it. But you'll, as the sharer, will get a what we call doTERRA dollars that you can use back for future purchases. So you'll get 20% of their first order back, and the wellness advocate that enrolled you will be able to help them with their account and future education. But you, as your friend, we know products we like and we love, we share with our friends. So this gives you a chance to get rewarded for those shares. So if you're not a wholesale customer yet, and you're interested in getting started, this is a QR code just to a shopping cart that is tied to my number, and you can put whatever you want in that or get one of the starter kits. There are some amazing bonuses that they have right now. You can spend 100 point value. Um, and you'll get your free shipping. And then if you spend 150 point value in your cart, you can actually choose one of the following gifts. So you can see the Pebble diffuser. You can choose from the Abode foaming hand wash with concentrated. It's a citrus bloom scent. Or you can try one of the toothpastes, the Super Mint or the On Guard, as a free gift for getting started. So with that, I am definitely excited to be in the month of September. I'm excited to see the products that are available at convention that they're going to be launching, but super excited to do the 7-day challenge with Melissa this month and get my free Guanac wood. With that, have a wonderful day and keep oiling.